everybody, it's me Nova, and in today's video we are going to be looking at this. So, this is finger puppets. They are blind bags, and I happened to stumble upon 6 of them. So, it's very interesting. I've never seen these before. Just little finger puppets. They are made by Fat Mojo, and this is series 1. I don't know if there's other series or this is just the only series out there. But yeah. So, and on top of the box it just says Poppy Playtime. On the bottom it's just red. We can collect Poppy, the player, Mommy Longlegs, Kissy Missy, and there's 3 different variations of Huggy Wuggy. And there seems to be 2 mystery Huggy Wuggies and a mystery player. So hopefully we can get some of the regular set and maybe even at least one of the mystery ones. But yeah, let's get into this. Okay, let's start with this one. Put this back there. Who is going to be our first one? It's blue. Okay. We have the evil Huggy Wuggy. Oh wow. It's kind of small for my fingers. I mean, it's probably made for little children. Look, you could. Yay, a puppet! Woo! You can just basically make it a pencil topper. Look at that. Oh, it fell. It fell. There we go, we got Huggy Wuggy. Let's see, which one is this one? Oh, it's the middle one. It's like the second Huggy Wuggy. We still have the one with the bigger mouth and the just the smiling one. This would be like an animation, I guess. It's like animation pose. Next. Okay. Stay. It isn't that close. There. Next. Oh! Whoa, wait a minute! It's shiny! Did I get a mystery one? I think I got a mystery Huggy Wuggy. This one is shiny. It's not the same. Whoa, I think I did. Alright. Next. Oh! It's Poppy! She looks really funny. There is Poppy. Woo! Look, you can. There. Ah, it kind of hurt. Why they have to make it like this? Wow! Look at that! Woo! Got my nails done. Almost dropped it. Whoa! Next. Only 3 more. Look, yeah, it is. Okay, so here's the other one compared to this one. So we did get a secret one. That's cool. And that's for our last 2. I don't think I even let you guys have a good look at the packaging for this one. Here's the packaging. I did not show it in the beginning. Wait a minute, did we get 2 rare ones? Look, it's a golden player. Look, it's got that metallic, like, paint. That's cool. Oh my god, we got 2 of the secret rares. Honestly, this unboxing has been very successful. Okay. Our last one. I mean, if I could, if we can try, we can get the other Huggy Wuggy rare one. But if we can't, I would hope for maybe Kissy Missy. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. No way. No way! It's Kissy Missy, but it's the rare one. No way did we just collect the. No. How did that is. So 3 of the regular set and 3 of the only rare ones. What? I'm missing the super evil Huggy Wuggy and Mommy Longlegs. What? And the regular player. So we just need 3 more? Leave it like that. Oh, look at that. Just yes. Alright, let's get a close up at them real quick. I think by far my favorite is the Kissy Missy, because literally perfect timing. Oh, they have the electrical glove and the just the regular one. That's perfect timing. Oh my gosh. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. It helps a lot. So I can do more videos like this. Next time, bye!